Hey guys, it's your girl Dioradoree and I'm back with another YouTube video. This video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to be installing my wig. This is a full lace wig. I'm going to be reinstalling it. Now I'm just going to be putting some brown makeup on my lace so that I can blend into my skin and look more natural. Gonna go ahead and start cutting off the extra lace in the front and in the back around my head. I'm gonna take some Ghost Bond lace glue and apply 2 layers of that to my hair. Finish blow drying that up, and I only put 2 layers because I'm not keeping this wig on for like the whole entire month. I'm only going to keep it on for like a week or 2 and it's going to come off. You can go in and apply more layers of glue to get a stronger hold. Now I'm gonna start laying my lace down into the glue. Now I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and dry up some of that glue. Just gonna quickly touch my ends with the flat iron. So I wanted a more natural install look, like a free part, and I love it. I'm very satisfied with it. So I decided to dress it up and make it look good, and this is my final look. I hope you guys like this video and subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.